Ki paidbah ka Thain Sohra ki layo iya udron ubalawan Swait na Bangladesh ki put ki sam kari India. Kani kala pynher syrngiew ki paidbah kani ka Thain. Haka khanyo tarik Nohprah Myntri ki Kam Pohiing ka Jylla ba Prestone Tyngsong ula kren haki nongthoh Khubor haka ba ula ong ba ka sorkar Jylla kala pyntip ka sorkar India bat ki Border Security Force BSF ya kani ka jingjia. Ula ong ru baka sorkar India kala shimkhia ya kani ka jingher Swait udron na Bangladesh. Ula ong ru ka sorkar Meghalaya kala shim kilat ki lynti ban iada ya ki paidbah kani ka Jylla. Ula kyntu ya ki paidbah ban syier namar ka sorkar kala shimkhia ya kani ka jingher Swait udron na shiliang khaput. Ula batha ru ya ki paidbah ban petngor ban pyntip lada ki iohi ya ki nu ki drone ki ba her Swait haka Thain jongki.
You go Jylla, this border area to come up to UAB. So what step to taken to Meghalaya side?
Well, in fact, from the state government, as far as the border issue is concerned, it is being looked after by the BSF, by the government of India. However, state government and the central government, we are closely working together. Be it those people trying to infiltrate or to come into Meghalaya, to India, or even the drone that recently has been detected that from Bangladesh, drones has even reached up to Cherrapunji. So these issues are always being closely discussed between the state government and the central government. So I'm very sure we are in a position to make sure that things is under control and nothing to worry about. We appeal to all the Indian people not to worry about whatever, and we are there. We are committed to make sure that our country is intact and our country is totally safe.
Okay, so any
We are in touch. We are in touch between the state government and the Ministry of Home Affairs. We are always in touch, almost twice a day. And then we are also sharing the inputs each other. But I'll not be able to detail everything, whatever we shared between the Ministry of Home Affairs and the state government.
thank you very much.
Thank you.